Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my November Boxycharm is here and I'm so excited to unbox it. Now let's go ahead and see what's inside this month's Boxycharm. So the theme for this month is Gold Digger, and I think that's so cute because they changed the term Gold Digger into Gold Digger. So it's more about empowering women, but we're still seeing a really cute golden theme throughout the box. And the first thing that catches my eye is this Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is like serving us holiday perfection because every color in this palette is like to die for. So I did do my eyeshadow look using this palette, so I'm gonna show you guys the whole look and what colors I used to get this eyeshadow look. So let's do that right now. Lashes, and the lashes that I use to make this eye look really pop is the Princess lashes from the LadyCode shop. You can get free shipping with the code QUEEN, so I'll link the link for my lashes down below. Next, I am seeing a brush set, and these are 4 full-size eyeshadow brushes from Luxie. These brushes look amazing. They have the gold handles on them, which is like super like golden, like holiday themed, and I'm loving these bristles and the shapes because these are kinds of brushes that I don't really have yet in my collection. So I'm really excited to try them out. I love Luxie brushes. They're the softest, they're synthetic. I really do use a lot of Luxie brushes in my makeup applications. Up next is an eyeliner from Magenta Blue, and the shade is a Glittering Star eyeliner. So I think it's gonna be like glittery. That is super duper cute. Next in my Boxycharm is a Cover FX glitter drops, and I'm excited to see what shade this is. It says Nova on the package. So, oh my god, it is the most beautiful golden color. Let's go ahead and swatch this because it is so gorgeous. Literally, it's like liquid gold. So I think that this would be super gorgeous, like mixed in with foundation. Put a little bit on your brush before you apply your foundation for a super dewy, glowy look, or you can wear it under your highlighter, or you can use it as a highlighter, you can wear it on your lips. I just think the possibilities are endless, and I love Cover FX, so I think this is really exciting that we're getting a full-size Cover FX product in our Boxycharm this month. And the last thing, since we got all of those brushes, I think that a brush cleaner is necessary. So this is a 2-ounce brush cleaner from Bodyography Pro. I've never heard of the brand before, but I can always use some brush cleaner. So I'm really excited to use this because cleaning your brushes is super important. It keeps your skin clear, and I've noticed that my skin has improved so much since I started cleaning my brushes once a week. So I'm really excited that we're getting this month in our Boxycharm. So that was my Boxycharm for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think everything inside was amazing. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what your favorite product was in this month's Boxycharm. If you want to learn more about Boxycharm, then go ahead and click the link down below where you can subscribe if you aren't already. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.